beautiful world. My name is Princess Katie, and today I'm going to be doing an Urban Decay Electric Palette Day Rave look. I'm not a makeup person, but this is my favorite palette. I just want to start by showing you the colors. I love it. This is what I've been using, honestly, for the last 4 years for all the raves I go to. It's a little dirty and worn because you can tell I have used it, but only a couple times a year. I don't wear makeup. I wear makeup when I go to a festival or when I go to see a concert, when I go out to a party, then I'll wear makeup. So let's see. The first color is a silver, and it's called Revolt. The next color is that beautiful blue, and that is Gonzo. Then the orange one, it's got a little glitter in it, that's called Slow Burn. Then that pink one is called Savage. And then there's a dark greenish silvery one that's called Fringe. And some of these you have to be careful. Some of these you can't use like on your actual waterlines because they have certain pigments in it that can't go in your eye. I don't really put them on my inside of my waterlines. I just put them, you know, on my lid or like underneath. And then this blue color is called Chaos. Oops, I dropped the brush. And this beautiful purpley pink, this one's called Jilted. And then the dark purple is called Urban. And then you have this nice bright green. And what's that one called? That's Freak. And then the yellowish green one is Thrash. So like I said, I've had this for quite a while now. It's the Electric Palette by Urban Decay. And today I'm going to do a day rave look. So I hope you're excited to see how my makeup turns out. And at the end, I'm going to put a little costume on that's also inspired by this day rave kind of vibe. Alright? Excited to show you my day rave makeup. First, I'm going to start by applying one of the colors with this dollar store brush. I know the girls in these videos are always talking about their brushes. The only thing I have cool in this video is my electric palette. Everything else is like super affordable. These are from the dollar store. I can also use the brush it comes with. I don't have like a fancy brush. This is the Urban Decay Electric brush. That's what I'll call it. I'll be using the electric brush. And I think the first color I'm going to start out with, I think I'm going to do this Chaos color, and I'm going to do that kind of like a blue eyeliner. Okay, so I went and I put the color Chaos all over my top lid like that. I like it. Let's see what I add next. I'm thinking about getting some of this pink up in here, this Savage color. So, I'll put the time lapse back on so you can watch me do it real quick. Okay, so I got the second color on. I am not a professional makeup artist, and I used to do my makeup a lot more when I was like in high school and when I worked checking out groceries at the Acme. I used to do my makeup then. But I've been with the same guy for the last 8 years, and he does not like makeup, so I quit wearing makeup 8 years ago. So I do not do my makeup that much. I do it for parties, and he says I look old like a clown. But as you can tell, I didn't put any primer or anything on, and this shit is bright. That's why I like it. It is the electric palette. I wear it, like I said, when I go to concerts or festivals or raves or anything of that nature. That is when I get to put my eyes on. So I really like that so far. I don't know. I think I'm going to go in and add like maybe some greens or something. Okay, so I just added the color Thrash, kind of like all along the top and along the bottom. Not really sure how I feel about it, but I think I might go in with maybe a little bit of this green. What's someone called? Freak. I'm gonna go in with that Freak, and I think I'm gonna touch that up a little bit. It's like a little bit too much of a yellowy tone for me. Kind of gonna get more of those greens, so maybe I'm not even a blender. I'm just kind of like applying it like one color on top of the other. I'm gonna go and I think I'm gonna put this beautiful freaky color up on top of it. So I'm gonna time lapse it so you guys can see how quick I do it. Wait, not. Okay, so I went in there with that free color and I kind of like it a lot better. I feel like the yellow kind of like blended that hot pink up into that green. I feel like I look like an exotic, I don't know, bird of some sort. I look like a bird, but I kind of like it. It's definitely got that like day glow, day rave kind of look to it. So I'm gonna put on some final touches. Definitely gonna go in with that Revolt. It is like a silver. I like to go and add it up all the way into my eyebrows. I think that's what my boyfriend says, look like a clown, but I don't really care. Sometimes I even paint my eyebrows white and dye them different colors just by applying whatever one of these colors I want my eyebrows to be. But I'm not gonna dye my eyebrows white today, but I'm gonna go in there with some of that silver. So let's see how that time lapse works again. It's magic. It's magical. Okay, so I went back in and I added all that silver up into my eyebrows, and I love it. I feel like it just kind of like extends the magicalness. And remember, this is for a festival. I'm not like going to a wedding or like to church. This isn't church makeup. This is day party makeup. So I'm so excited to put it on with my outfit and to like take some pictures and just show you guys like the finished look. Now I'm going to be using my Great Lash blue mascara. It's probably like a year or two old. I don't know. Probably isn't so good to use anymore. Totally a nurse, but totally don't take advice from me on how long I keep makeup. Like I said, this is like 4 seasons old. I brought this to 4 seasons, maybe even longer. Maybe this is 5 seasons old. This may be 5 seasons old. This has gone to 5 full years of festivals, camping, up in the mountains, out in the woods. So let's see if I can do any justice to these little tiny eyelashes with my Great Lash. Who's it by? Maybe it's Maybelline. Okay guys, I just applied my electric blue mascara. No, I'm just kidding guys. Try to like ASMR you. So I went and tried to like define these lashes. Did pretty good. Not really a mascara girl anymore, but when I do, it's electric blue. So now I'm gonna go in with my favorite eyeliner. Maybe that I'll just do on regular. That one I'm not afraid to do just like on a regular video. I don't even know what this is. CoverGirl Perfect Blend. And once again, this is years old. Reason being, I just like, how is the whole thing gonna get old? You know what I mean? I understand like the tip of it getting old, but nah. I like to just do black. And this is one thing my boyfriend does like. One thing he likes on me is this black eyeliner. So let me go in. And this I do apply directly to my line. Maybe I can just use the camera itself to do it. Oh, I can, but I feel like I gotta stand up. Why do we have to open our mouths to do makeup? I was like self-conscious while doing my mascara. I'm like, I don't want to open my mouth. But it's true, I feel like all girls do that. Okay, and the one thing I like to do that not everyone does is I like to try to get a little bit of eyeliner up on that upper. Oh, it's difficult to do. Especially if you feel like someone's watching you. You're watching me do my makeup. Okay, how does that look? Gorgeous, gorgeous. I look like a rave. I like it. Am I beautiful? I feel beautiful. Alright, now I'm gonna get on my outfit and show you the finished product. Probably take this hair out. See how I look. Okay, so I went and put my little outfit on. Let me stand up so you can see it better. It's just a little alien dress. Let's see if I can show you the bottom of it. Ooh, it's just a little like one piece. And it's a halter top. And ties right here and there. Have room to breathe. See how short it is? Woo! So cute outfits, and now I'm just going to take out my hair. I don't know if it's gonna have any curl to it. I have pin straight hair, but we'll see how it looks down. And then I got these cute little bobbers, and this Day Rave, Day Glow, alien inspired outfit is inspired by the last party I went to, and we saw Space Jesus. So, I can fix the hair better than that. I can fix the hair better than that. Maybe I should just do kind of like that. Here we go. How is the final makeup? Gotta get the little bobbers in there with the outfit. Oh wait, it's crappy if the sun's behind you, right? Cute. Space Jesus. Well, alien, look, it's like a galaxy. I got my red hair, don't care. And then my space makeup. I like it. I'm satisfied. So the whole reason why I did makeup was my mother watches my videos. Hi, Mom! And she told me that I'm beautiful and that I should wear more makeup. And I was like, Mom, no, I want to be myself. I want to be more natural. I naturally don't wear as much makeup anymore. And she said, no, you got to do your eyes like you used to do. So I said, you know what? I'll make it into a video. I will show people maybe who don't do makeup every day like me how I do my makeup. I didn't do any primer. I didn't do any face makeup. I just left my face natural and just played up my eyes, and all I used was one palette, one eyeliner, and one mascara. So anyone, if you can still get this palette, I don't even know. All I gotta say is, yo, Urban Decay, thank you so much. You've helped me look so beautiful through all of the raves and music festivals that I've gone to, and I just wouldn't look like a beautiful princess as much without the nights that I do my makeup from you guys. So thank you, Electric Palette by Urban Decay. And give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Bye!